In today's video, I'll guide you how to add a mutual contact on Instagram. So first of all is that you would need to go into your Instagram app, and from here you want to go into the chat with that person that you would want to be a mutual contact with. So you would need to tap here on add to contacts. As you can see at the top, it says block user, add to contacts. So tap on add to contacts, and then from here you can modify the first name and last name, and then a mobile number, and so on. And then from here, once you're satisfied with your modifications or whatever you put in there, you want to tap on done. And then it will now be added to your contacts, just like that. So in order for this to appear as mutual contacts, this user should also do the same thing with me in my chat. So this user should also add me into their contacts, and that way it would now appear as mutual contacts. And another way, if you don't have the conversation yet, like for example, you only have the username, then you can go here into search and then simply type out their username, and then you should be able to see their account in here. And then just do the same thing, open that conversation, and then tap on add to contacts, or you could just chat first in order for the add to contacts button to appear. So that's it on how you can add a mutual contact on Telegram. Thank you for watching.